Good morning, everyone. Saturday, June 20th, 10 a.m. Had a good day, woke up early. I only got a stretch in. I had a bit of work to do. I then took my girlfriend to work. She works Saturday. She's a dentist, and such is life. She's not a dentist, a pediatric dentist. I guess it's the same thing, but she always corrects me. She's a dentist for kids. Today's gonna be a little different. I might not run. Tomorrow is my long run day, which is gonna be over a marathon. We're probably gonna do 50K, somewhere around 60K tomorrow. So today's gonna be a whole lot of stretching, a whole lot of ice, and just maybe some carb loading. So that's about it. Sí.
Como que si nada más le dictara a ella y escribiera, entonces en vez de estar haciendo el trabajo, escribiendo, haciendo extracciones, controlando al niño, diciéndole si tiene efectivo, o sea.
All right. His fifth favorite place to nap. Right on my laptop as I work. Loves it. I stretched. It is 3:30 now. I have edited the video. I've got like 2 whole minutes of video in. It's crazy how difficult it is once you actually want to make a decent video and get a little more intricate. I'm really enjoying it. Really enjoy the editing process. It's kind of fun. I suck at it. Obviously, you can see my videos. They're not very good. But time to go to the grocery store and get some things for tomorrow's long run. Got home, put everything away, and I'm going to go pick my girlfriend up to take her. She is leaving to her hometown, so won't be here. So this is us waiting for my girlfriend to get her out of town. Javi. Oh, this mango pudding thing? 4 out of 10. It's way too sweet. Now, I wanted to not waste this video footage. It is of the sunrise from my apartment building, so enjoy it. And as always, thank you so much for watching it. If you are watching it now and you think it sucked, well, let me know.